Hey, what's going on? Nick here. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a long time, but when I first get started, all I did was spamming. Yeah, that's true. All I did was going to different group and spam there, then got suspended, right? So I feel frustrated, so I try to take some courses. I try to learn from different gurus, but then I feel confused because everyone is teaching different ways, right? So I say, wow, there's so many ways you can do to do affiliate marketing. So I was like, wow, which one is the best? But after years of testing, I realized in order for you to succeed in affiliate marketing long term, there's only one way. So in this video, I want to share with you what's the best way you can do to succeed in affiliate marketing in the long way, right? So if you take some other courses before, you may learn this strategy. So all they teach is they ask you to send traffic from maybe social media, maybe from blog, from ads to your offer. Yeah. So they say that you want to find the offer that's so great, then you want to send traffic from those places to your offer. The problem is all offer fatigue, which means your offer will stop working. So if you are following this model, you have to find a new offer. And another problem is the cost of ad is increasing over time. So maybe this year you can afford to pay for ad. Maybe next year you can't. And that's a problem if you're following this model because you are not building an asset and the cost of ad is going to increase over time. Right, so that's the reason why in the past there are so many people are teaching this model, but nowadays there are fewer and fewer because it's really hard to make it work nowadays. So how can we do instead? So instead of sending people directly to offer, we want to send people to what we call opt-in page. So we are going to send traffic to what we call opt-in page to build a following. So in marketing, the ultimate asset is your following, is your email list. So if you have a following, maybe your account may get shut down, maybe your website gets shut down, but guess what? You can still make money because you have your following, you have your list, right? So how do we do about that? So we are going to build an opt-in page. So when someone visits our page, we are going to present to them in offer, say, hey, you can get this thing for free. Maybe it's a free training, maybe it's a free video, maybe it's a free report. All they need to do is they have to leave their email address, right? So we are going to offer something for free in exchange of their email address. So when they leave their email, we are going to send them to thank you page so that they can download the free things. And also, we are going to send them a series of follow-up emails, right? So we are going to use those emails to build a relationship with them, and we are going to present them some offer in those emails, right? So we are going to use those emails to promote our offer. And guess what? Right now, you can promote offer after offer after offer. And if the offer you are promoting is great, they will trust you more after buying them. They will buy from you again and again and again. And that's the power of email marketing. So I would say that stay away from this kind of model because you are not building a long-term asset. And instead, try to build your own following, try to build your own list. So that's how you can make money with affiliate marketing in the long term. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.